Lagi, hindi na napalit ko talaga pang walk, makagwanta, di, matamatiin.
Hindi ka ginawa everyone. My name is Sonia Bartolar. Today I'm going to do catheterization treatment. Catheterization is a medical procedure that involves inserting a tuber catheter into the patient's urethra. So the indication of this is to monitor the urinary output for patients who are comatose or unconscious, urinary retention, urinary incontinence, surgical, and prolonged immobilization. So first, I'm going to do the 12 sequence, then 12 sequence, then I'm going to proceed to unpacking the top sheet, unpack the top sheet, then fold into diagonal drain, apex to apex. Then, position, abduct the patient's leg, position it to dorsal recumbent. Then, wrap the legs of the patient. To avoid chilling. Then, discard the towel, and then put it in the chest of the patient. Put both hands on the abdomen. Then get the towel. Then next, get another towel to put at in between the legs of the patient.
Mark. Isu down. Ano kaya isu down?
Yeah. Palit mo. Kasi ma'am, walo mas, apili ko mas na yun.
Then after that, I'm going to prepare the materials. So first is check the integrity of the catheter. So we have here silicone type, French number 40 to 60 per adult. Then check the integrity in its supplies. Then get the urobag. Check also the integrity of the urobag. Now I'm going to open the catheter. Then insert the urobag at the catheter, the urine output. Set aside. Now get the syringe, aspirate. Then introduce air. Aspirate to 10 cc. Then use the forceps to remove the syringe. Then insert to the balloon port of the catheter. Then set aside. Now I'm going to put the materials along with the tray into the in between the leg of the patient. Now I'm going to prepare the cotton ball. One I put betadine, first one, and the other is water. Next, next is expose. Get the cotton ball with betadine. Paint the center, then wider, then discard. Now, I'm going to change clean gloves to sterile gloves. And do hand sanitize, then apply powder, then find the fold and make a fold and then drop. Then insert. Then, pa-assist ko.
Ready na ka, no?
Yes,
Ready ka
ma'am.
with your gloves. Ayaw ba ni Kami rin? Gusto rin. Kaya ayaw ba ni Kami? 1,000 registration, 1,500 board allergic, 1,000 sa CIC.
Apply PY jelly 2 to 3 inches. Then, retract the patient's urethra. Then, insert. Instruct the patient to breathe freely.
You
Then,
have to ask permission from the patient before you insert, ha?
yes ma'am. So ma'am, I'm going to insert the catheter to your urethra. Then, I will ask you to breathe freely.
Ma'am, breathe through your mouth, ma'am. Hinay lang, ma'am.
Okay lang ma'am.
Breathe through your
Then,
mouth.
I'm going to advance. Advance. Then once the urine flow is coming out, stop the insertion. 2 to 3 inches. Now I'm going to deflate the balloon. I inflate the balloon.
Okay. Bila ka sisi ka dito?
10 cc ma'am.
Okay.
Then set aside the syringe. Slowly pull. If there are signs of
To confirm if the balloon,
to confirm if the balloon is inflated,
so
then
you
gently.
pull it gently, ha?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your indication that the balloon is already inflated? What do you feel when you pull it?
When
There
there
is?
is a resistance,
Okay, very good. Then,
then gently push back to avoid obstruction
in the
in the
urethral
urethra
opening.
opening.
Okay.
Next is I'm going to secure the
Anchor. Ah, sige, yeah. Anchor. You give a little way, ha, para dili niya pagana niya, dili mabira. So you have to give a little way. Medyo yung ang nimo. Dili mo buo kung pagana dito. Oh, yeah.
Then, anchor.
Okay, ikot pa sana.
Intertwine.
Intertwine.
Then, equals.
Bilang dito.
Reinforce. Then, get the urine bag. Hang it beside the
Ilaw ko na paano ilaw. Sa potential area.
Then hang it there or put it beside the bed.
Kailang live sa smooth.
So what do you refrain or avoid sa Eurobag? Sa avoid sa Eurobag?
To avoid the urine from kuan, vlogging ma'am,
So do not let the Eurobag
and touch the patient's,
touch
touch the
floor.
floor.
Avoid? What do you avoid?
Avoid microorganisms ma'am,
Contamination.
and
Do not
contamination.
let the Eurobag touch the floor to avoid contamination. So what are you going to do to avoid it?
I'm going to hang or put it beside the bed.
Okay. So kung talagang mahaba, you have to support sa ilalong. Basic na ka or something ha. Dili siya mo direct contact sa floor. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Then do documentation, date and time, before and after vital signs, patient's reaction, number of catheter, fresh number of catheter, which is 16, 14 to 16. Then the number of cc inflated the balloon. Then, ano ma'am no?
Oh, ito naman, wala.
Then,
Reaction of the patient, dan? Reaction.
ma'am,
Reaction of the patient.
wala na ma'am.
Okay. So if you're going to document the French number, isa lang ka number. Dili, you write 14 to 16. Okay, you have to be specific what number. So what number do you choose?
14.
Okay, French number 14. Okay. Hello! Congratulations!
I'm going to
Yay!
proceed to the
Yeah,
final empty bottle.
Kaya ano? Dali lang mga tao.
Remove the urine. Then get the cotton ball with water so we can take the plaster. Gently remove the plaster. And the card. Now, I'm going to deflate the balloon. Insert the syringe into the balloon of aid. Tinakay 20. Then, as patient, nabulbaan dyan
You deflated the balloon.
Yes, ma'am.
And what did you instruct the patient upon removal?
Between the
Breast feeding.
remove catheter along with the sterile glove. Then, betadine, cotton ball with betadine, then clean the center, then white stars, time, then aftercare ma'am, nang that. The documentation, date and time, the patient's reaction, who did the removal, who assisted, then the characteristics of urine output, the number of deflated cc, and the before and after vital signs.
Okay, so after removal, what instruction did you give to the patient?
After removal, I will instruct the patient that if the patient cannot urinate within 6 to 8 hours, she or he will be inserted another set of catheter.
Oh, waste to simulate.
Ma'am?
Ways to stimulate
Ways to
fluid.
stimulate, there are 4 ways to stimulate the First is to let the patient hear the sound of water coming out in the faucet. Then we apply pressure to the hypogastric area. Then the alternate splashing of cold and warm water. Then lastly is to intake fluid intake. If not contraindicated. Fluid intake